Hey guys, Judd here. Listen, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for hitting 10,000. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, a couple confessions, couple new announcements. One is that I am no longer going to be doing a lot of the stuff that I was doing before. I don't feel right about it. I don't feel good about it. It doesn't make me feel like I'm providing true value to you guys. So moving forward, my promise to you is to provide you only with the best content, educational content, content that you can truly use and take action on, to work from home, to make money online, to make money anywhere, sharing my 10 years of experience, and hopefully helping you guys change your life for the better. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing online job opportunities, work from home opportunities, some education tips, tricks, things like that, and that is my promise to you guys. So if you're new to my channel and this is the kind of stuff you want, the kind of stuff you're looking for, real, raw, truthful, actionable steps to make money from anywhere in the world, to get real jobs, legit jobs, or even start your own business, then please subscribe, please like, share this content, share this information. And sorry things have been lax the last couple months with COVID and everything. My plan is to get back on track, doing videos weekly with nothing but value for you guys from the deepest depths of my soul. That is my promise to you, to give you guys the best, nothing but the best, to help you change your lives and to make a difference. Thank you for everything, and let's make this a great one. Bye.